The real estate market has made a shift, so sellers, you do not want to make these 5 mistakes when selling your home. According to the latest housing data, the real estate market is going through a transition. Now more than ever, it is important to be working with a real estate agent to be the most informed on market shifts and updates on the latest changes. Hi, I'm Tara Pell with the RE/MAX NC Coastal team. If you're in the market to sell your home, here are 5 things you want to do to avoid when listing your home. First off, do not skip the small stuff. If there are small repairs you think you can pass off that task to a buyer, just think again. Buyers shopping today are looking for homes with minimum to no repairs. Visible repair issues, even if they are small, can turn off a buyer and result in a lower offer or demand for concessions. 2, it is important to look at things objectively. With the transitioning market, it is important not to take things so personally and to get too emotionally invested in the sale. Remember, once you decide to list your house, it's no longer yours. This can put your sale at risk. Also, be willing to negotiate. If you're unwilling to negotiate, it can put the offer at risk and the buyer can back out. With inventory on the rise, sellers have more options, and with that comes negotiation power. That is why it's important as a seller to have an agent to negotiate on your behalf without having the offer go south. You do not need to make the mistake of not using a real estate agent to help streamline the selling process. And finally, do not make the mistake of overpricing your home. Many sellers are setting their asking price too high, and we are seeing an uptick in homes with price reductions and longer days on market. An unrealistic price can cause your house to sit, deter buyers, and lead to appraisal issues, and may cause your home to become stale on the market. Connect with my team today to get more information, and we can strategize what to do with your home. Again, I'm Tara Powell with the RE/MAX NC Coastal team, Real Estate with a Purpose, where we put our clients and community first.